Have you ever tried making Sindhi Doda with Jowar flour? I made this completely gluten free, and honestly, making the dough was a little challenging. Final result was so crispy and delicious. Today I am making Sindhi Doda using Jowar flour. I am taking 2 cups of Jowar flour. This I am adding crushed kasuri methi, mint seeds, garam masala, turmeric, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and salt. Now add ginger garlic paste and mix everything well. For the moyan, I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. Mix it really well and check the moyan with your palm. This helps give the doda that nice texture. Now add chopped coriander and finally chop onions. I am using ready-made jar flour. Here in UAE, I found that adding hot water gradually works best for binding the dough. Slowly add hot water and bring everything together to make a dough. A little oil on the top, cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes. After resting, knead the dough once again. Now take one portion of the dough and start pressing it with your hands. Keep pressing and shape it until it's about the size of your palm. And this is where I realize, because jowar is naturally gluten-free, the doda was breaking while I was shaping it. Place it carefully on the hot tawa, gently press and spread it evenly with your fingers so it becomes thin and cooks easily. Let one side cook, then flip it. Add some ghee on the top. Because doda is thick, cook it slowly on low-medium flame so the inside cook properly. Flip again and add ghee on the other side too. Toast both sides until they become beautifully crispy and golden brown. And finally, our Sindhi Doda is ready. I serve it with curd and fresh pudina chutney, and of course I could not resist pouring a little extra ghee on the top. And the best part, both my girls tried Doda for the first time and they actually love it. So crispy outside, soft inside, completely gluten free and full of flavor. Would you try this Jowar Sindhi Doda? Let me know in the comments.